I suggested those who are constant hecklers to take the morning off some morning and go and watch television and see what it sounds like to be on television, listening to the roaring and shouting. Now, excuse me just 1 minute. There's a lot of people made a lot of sacrifices so we could come into this chamber and debate, not to shout each other down. Now, would you give the Speaker a chance to ask a question and listen to the answer? You may not like the question, you may not like the answer, but that's democracy, by the way. Now, Deputy Daly, and you please stay quiet. Deputy Daly, will you stop the heckling, please? Deputy Daly, thank you. And Sinn Féin should learn to be quiet as well as everybody else. Thank you.
Thanks, Count Corla. I think any young person